this video I'll be showing you how to do some single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet decreases. I do work in US terms, so just be aware of that. There is a full conversion chart available on my website. So let's get started. Okay, so we'll start with single crochet. So I've just worked one turning chain for my single crochet, and I'm going to work a couple of stitches and we can start decreasing in the middle of the row. So to work your single crochet decrease, you want to insert the hook into the next stitch as normal, yarn over, pull through. Then instead of yarning over and pulling through these two stitches, you want to insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. So then you should have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. And that is your first single crochet decrease. Now what you've done there is you've taken 2 stitches and made them into 1. So I'll do that again just to show you. So insert the hook, yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over again, pull through, 3 stitches or 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. So that is how you do a single crochet decrease. You can do this mid-row, you can do this at the very beginning of the row, or you can do this at the end of the row. It doesn't matter. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do half double crochet decrease. So I've got my 2 turning chains, I yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. So I've got 3 loops on my hook, then I yarn over again, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over again, pull through. So now I have 5 loops on my hook. Finally, I yarn over and I pull through all of those loops. It can be a little bit tricky. That is my first half double crochet decrease. So I'll do that again. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over again, pull through, then yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over again, pull through. You've got 5 loops on your hook, yarn over a final time, pull through all 5 loops, making sure to get all through all of them. And that is how you do a half double crochet decrease. Now I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet decrease. So I have my 3 turning chains. I'm going to just work a couple of stitches first. I'll show you how to do this mid-row. If you haven't already seen my other videos on how to half double crochet, how to double crochet and how to single crochet, check out my how to crochet playlist. So for our first double crochet decrease, we want to yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over again and pull through. Then we want to yarn over and pull through 2. So we only have 2 left on our hook. Then yarn over again, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through 2. So we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over a final time, pull through all 3. So that one's a little bit more complicated, so we'll do that one more time. So yarn over, insert the hook into your next stitch, yarn over again, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops, leaving 2 on your hook, yarn over again, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over again, pull through 2. Then you're left with 3 loops on your hook, yarn over a final time and pull through all 3 of those loops. And what you're doing here is you're making 2 stitches into 1 whilst keeping that height. So that's how you double crochet decrease. I hope that's been helpful and I'll see you in the next video.